Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I'm just going to teach you to work on a bootstrap with the container. Basically, what is a container and how to use that. If I add a div here and just simply I add or I create a complete web layout inside this, so it's exactly called the container. We generally add the IDs for this purpose, the ID of container or the wrapper or etc, but I'm just making it container. Now, okay, but is this any class in a Bootstrap 2, the container, or we have to create this one? What we do with this container, we just only make the container for keeping the content in a sequence or basically in a main div, and now inside this we can create our whole content. But if you're talking about the Bootstrap, then exactly I'm creating something like the div and class, and now I'm applying the jumbotron. First of all, I'm just cutting the jumbotron and pasting the jumbotron out of the container and refreshing. So this is the jumbotron which is not inside the container, looking awesome. But if I just go there and cut the jumbotron and paste inside the container and save and refresh, now nothing new has been happened. Oh, spelling mistake, the container. Now save and refresh. Now basically, if you just can see the container, the jumbotron is listen now, it's inside the container, and it has some specific space here on the left and right side just because of the container. Okay, this is not the Bootstrap's work, sorry, the jumbotron's works, this is the container's works, that it actually left this space on the right and the left side. Okay, so this is a simple thing about the container, that it makes our content inside inside a simple layout, as you can see, and inside a unique manner, and actually collected. So basically this is a simple container, but if you just want to make it fluid, so let's just put the container fluid and refresh that one again. Now it's still the jumbotron is in a container, but now the space, the white space is very small, as you can see. So this is the container fluid. Okay, now whatever I'll just put inside the container, it will be inside this area. Okay, but the space around 10px and 10px on left and right side will be wasted because you're in the fluid controller, the container. And in the same way, if you just put the container directly, then you know that it will get the huge space. So guys, this is the basic logic behind the container and the container fluid. We will work on the container and the fluid, container fluid mostly, and actually we'll create the whole website inside the container. And as we generally does, if you just remember that we did already in the HTML and the HTML5, that we just created a container, but for that courses and the sections, what we did, we just created some classes or the IDs for the container in the style.css or the style tag. But yeah, we already have a created class in a Bootstrap. We just need to call the container. So guys, in the next class we'll start from right now. Goodbye and stay tuned.